Welcome everyone to my channel. Let's make some sweet chili lobster. I got these lobster tails from my cousins, so I figured let's make them today. Firstly, let's remove the shell. Slit down the back of the shell. Then just pry the shell off. Make sure to remove that black line down the center of the lobster. After removing all the shells, rinse the lobster in cold water with lime juice. All the lobster tails are cleaned up. Now I'm going to just cut them into bite size. All done, so I'm adding them to a bowl so I could season them. Add some all-purpose seasoning, some garlic powder, and some cayenne pepper. Just a little bit of jerk seasoning. Mix everything together and allow to marinate for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add some cornstarch. This will make it crispy because we're going to fry these. To a pan of hot oil, I'm adding the lobster tails in. Allow these to fry for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then I'll flip them to the other side and fry again for another 3 to 4 minutes. They are now ready, so I'm going to remove them from the oil. And then I'll just fry the other batch. I went ahead and removed some of the oil from the pan. Now I'm adding in ginger and garlic, and I'm going to allow to saute. Next, I add some chopped onions. Then some chopped sweet peppers. Add a little green seasoning, some vinegar, some soy sauce, then mix everything together. Add the sweet chili sauce, because I want a thick sticky sauce. I'm going to add a cornstarch slurry. This is just a mix of cornstarch and some water. Adding in just a little bit of that fish and meat sauce. Just a little bit of honey. Tasted the sauce and it wasn't spicy enough for me, so I'm adding a little chili flakes. Adding in some thyme also. I'm just removing the leaves from the stem. Now I'll add the lobster in. And mix around in the sauce, ensuring each piece is covered. And that's it, it's done. Just adding some chopped scallions. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Like and share with your friends. Subscribe to my channel and come back for more delicious recipes.